Hello again folks, welcome back to Funland, live from Finland. Oh hell yes, here comes my brother.
How dare you assume my gender, boy?
Please go commit homosexual man sickness.
Yes.
Oh look there, can you see who that girl is, my brother?
Bitchy.
Yes, it is I, girl bitchy.
Horunge.
Oh my, she is my crush.
Hi honey, I have missed you.
Hi honey, I missed you too.
Oh no, my crush is my brother's wife. That is almost incest.
Are you in love with me, wife over there?
WTF.
Can we please build that damn wall?
Is that a personal attack or something?
Why does the floorboard smell of rotten flesh? I am going to fight you, brother. I am very sorry, but you have triggered my headache.